That's right. I told you about SoundHound a little over a year ago, and it's up 170% from where it was when I told you about it. How did I know about it? I did it, my analysis. I went to their earnings call. I looked at their balance sheet, their income statement, and I determined they had a potential to grow and they would grow substantially. I've since listened to every quarterly earnings call, and I held until February of 2025. That's when I sold half of my position at a 311% increase from my original purchase price. In essence, I took my profits and I left it sit. It went down. I'm still there. I just did my last earnings call analysis, and I'm ready to share that with you. What I want to do is send you a copy of this report. It's a 15-page report that analyzes SoundHound, and then I want to give you a podcast, a 22-minute podcast that Samantha and Bard, my AI agents, made for me that explains it in detail so you can make an informed investment decision. Go into the description or the profile and you'll find the link, and you'll get your copy of the report and the podcast today.